Alright, so today I'm going to teach you how to clean an Imac 27-inch computer. It's very easy if you've never done it before. Let me show you the simple steps. First thing is you got to take it and you got to take it outside. And when you take it outside, make sure you get in a good spot. And you got to get, first thing you got to do is you got to give it a good rinse. Good rinse, get the whole thing nice and good. Okay, then you get some Mr. Clean. See Mr. Clean here? Some Mr. Clean all over it. Get it nice there. You get your scrub brush. Give it a good scrub everywhere. Everybody. Scrub, 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 scrub. Scrub, there you go. That should be it. Should be nice and clean. Okay. Let's give it one more good rinse. And the last thing we do is we're going to dunk it. Give it a good dunk. And that is how you clean an iMac 27-inch computer. For those who didn't know, have a good day.